Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control. Meditation. Chapter 6, Shloka number 9. He who is of the same mind to the good-hearted, friends, relatives, enemies, the indifferent, the neutral, the hateful, the righteous, and the unrighteous excels.
Chapter 6, Shloka 9. Sukurun mitrat yudasina madhyastattveshya bandhusho sadhushvapi cha papeshu samabuddhir vishishyate.
Chapter 6, Shloka 9. The world is made of objects and beings. A man of perfection who has experienced and become the self and discovered the infinite, the absolute bliss in himself, considers the earth, a stone, and gold, all objects, as same, for he has discovered the oneness in all of them. This was explained in the previous shloka. What about the beings? How does a man of perfection see them? This is explained in this shloka as the real, as a substratum for the whole world, which he is experiencing. Will he consider all the living beings as unreal while living the new experience? Will he ignore to serve the world and help the world? This is explained now. Lord Krishna says that in the new status achieved, the man of perfection has an equal vision for all. He has equal love and regard for the good-hearted, friends, enemies, the indifferent, the neutral, the hateful, relatives, the righteous, and the unrighteous. This is his new-found excellence. In the initial stages, for a seeker, this may seem not only difficult to accept, understand, and impractical, but also weird, difficult, or impossible. But an example will remove the fear. When we see the sameness in spite of all the differences, like in our own body, then there is equal love for all parts. My right hand is different from the left hand. Hands are not the legs. The head is different from the stomach. Yet they all belong to me, and so I have equal love for them all. When accidentally my teeth bite my tongue, I don't rush to break my teeth or hate them, as both the teeth and tongue belong to me, and I have equal love for them. Similarly, to him who has realized himself to be the self, which is all pervading, the entire universe becomes his own self, and therefore his relationship with every other part of the universe is equal and same. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.